Do we still have the memory card from your old phone?
I don't know. I would assume so.
And we're back.
Yeah, so we did the toffee pop bites. Yeah, they were there. We did the Afghan caramel crunch. It's like an extremely,
That's just a bunch of cocoa melted together. It's a cocoa bar.
yeah,
Gross.
it's dry as sawdust.
Yeah.
Okay, Perky Nana.
Oh, man.
A combination of flavors unlike anything else. This banana-flavored chew is covered in just the right amount of Cadbury milk
God.
chocolate.
Look, my stomach's going to turn. I don't like banana flavor as it is. That looks really gooey.
That's a circus peanut.
Oh, that hurt. Sorry, my shoulder hurts, honey.
Perky Nana.
No.
NZ kettle corn. This crispy and light salted popcorn is made with only 4 ingredients, making it the perfect guilt-free snack for your on-the-go adventures. Just regular old kettle corn.
It's probably my favorite one so far out of the whole box.
Hands down. That's the best thing in
The
here.
kettle corn.
Cadbury Black Forest. One bite of this chocolate bar will instantly take you to a place where cherry-flavored jelly bits live harmoniously with pieces of crunchy biscuit. Okay, that just sounds...
Oh, so gross. No, I'm
seriously.
not okay with this. I'm not okay with this.
Oh, and there is big chunks in there. Whoopsie.
I'm not.
Oopsie daisy. Not as bad as I thought it would be.
Maybe take off the chocolate and just a clump of cherry.
Rainbow Toasties, a vanilla-flavored marshmallow bar rolled in toasted coconut shavings, all dunked in a rich chocolate coating, just for good measure.
No.
See, we got damn coconut on there. I want to know what's rainbow about a coconut.
Nothing. There's nothing rainbow about it. I'm very sad about.
Here, open that.
I'm very sad about this box.
Yeah.
We've had quite a few good ones, and this is just like, oh no.
I mean, honestly, there's one thing so far. 2.
Yeah.
The Starburst, what do you call it?
But
Like now and later
yeah.
Starburst thing. Had good flavor, but it was hard as a rock.
ew. I've been just eating coconut. Yeah. New Zealand, do better. This was not okay. Just remember,
Popcorn.
American snacks, I think just too nasty. But this is not okay.
All right. Till next time.